Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, the Chief Justice of India. Honorable Justice Dipankar Datta, the Judge Supreme Court of India. Honorable Justice Pankaj Mithal, the Judge Supreme Court of India. Justice Sanjay Karol, the Judge Supreme Court of India. Justice P.B. Sanjay Kumar, the Judge Supreme Court of India. Justice Ahsanuddin Amanullah, the Judge Supreme Court of India. Justice Manoj Misra, the Judge Supreme Court of India. Honorable Justice Rajesh Bindal, Judge Supreme Court of India. And Honorable Justice Aravind Kumar, the Judge Supreme Court of India. Honorable Justice Ghosh, Aravind Ghosh, whose birthday is there. I wish happy birthday to you, sir, from the bar. Honorable Justice B.R. Gawai, who is friend of the bar and a wonderful person because of whom we are enjoying this auditorium. Honorable Justice Narasimha, Honorable Justice Ajay Rastogi, Honorable Justice Ravind Bhatt, Honorable Justice Oka, Mr. Apurva Sharma, Executive Chairman, Bar Council of India, Honorable P.H. Parikh, sir, who is 6-time President of Supreme Court Bar Association and 10 times President of SCORA, and senior advocates, Rohit Pandey, Joint Secretary, and Yugandhara Jha, Treasurer of the Bar Association. Today, 8 judges are here who have newly taken oath. 8 represents victory, prosperity, and overcoming of all the evils. 8 is the atomic number of oxygen which is required for everyone. My Lord, if we have to mention about each one of you, it will take much time, but I should not leave anyone. Honorable Justice Dipankar Datta is second generation lawyer. His father was also a High Court judge in Calcutta High Court, late Salil Kumar Datta, and his brother-in-law, who was Honorable Judge of this Honorable Court, Honorable Justice Amitabh Roy. Sir has narrated a very good anecdote recently in a function in which Sir told about the fake lawyers. And he narrated a story that a lawyer took a brief and that matter was listed before the court and an order was passed. Order says, no one present, petition dismissed. When this lawyer went to, this client came to the lawyer and he says that you did not represent even me. You are not a liar. He said, no, my name is mentioned here. My name is None. No one. None appears. None appears. He said, my name is None. None appears. So this is so Lordship will say a few more anecdotes. The cricket team of Supreme Court judges has become stronger, and Honorable Justice Chandrachud should play with the Bar Association now with a confidence that they are going to win again. Honorable Justice Pankaj Mithal is the third generation lawyer. His father and grandfather both were renowned advocates, and his father was judge of Allahabad High Court. Justice Sanjay Karol is also a wonderful person, and he is a very well-known face of most of the Delhi lawyers. Honorable Justice P.B. Sanjay Kumar, he is the son of P. Ramchandra Reddy, who was then legal luminary of Andhra Pradesh High Court, and who was Advocate General of the state from 1969 to 1982. But when he was practicing and thereafter when he became judge, he remained the friend of the bar. He did not have that position and the legacy of the family into his head, normally which peers into many of them. Justice Amanullah is a renowned lawyer who has been a student of chemistry, BSc chemistry, before joining the legal chemistry. He has been a judge of Andhra Pradesh High Court and thereafter Patna High Court. Honorable Justice Manoj Misra, his grandfather, late S.N. Misra, was an advocate, father Late P.N. Misra was also senior advocate. Madam is also there and a lawyer, and both the sons, they are also advocates practicing in Allahabad High Court. Honorable Justice Rajesh Bindal we have seen him in Calcutta and thereafter in Allahabad High Court. He is a wonderful administrator, and I don't know what he does, but he looks very fit. So the secret of fitness can be narrated by him only. Honorable Justice Aravind Kumar, who belongs to an agriculturist and a freedom fighter, late Kumaraswamy. His father was a very renowned man. He is fond of mediation, and he believes that by way of mediation, lot of litigations can be reduced. Sir has a wonderful quality many of us may not be knowing, but he has very good command over Sanskrit. And he can do almost all kind of puja. So whenever in the next Ganpati or so, if Lordship do not find a good Pandit, Lordship to take the services of Honorable Justice Aravind Kumar. Lordship, there are so many things. Now these 8 judges makes the strength of Supreme Court complete. And if I have to mention them, then we have to mention with the wordings of Allama Iqbal. तू साही है, परवाज है काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी हैं. ये जो, this is the narration of all the judges that they have to achieve so many things. Whatever you did in the High Court, whatever you did in the practice, that matters a lot. But now your real inning starts now when you all are on the national canvas. This new responsibility of you all got in the Amrit Kal of independence is important in many ways. Your every decision and work can change the fate of the nation and the future of new generation. This bar assures Lordships that we will be 100% supporting and be with you all for any cause of justice. Lordship, we have seen so many challenges. Honorable Justice Mithal has written an article on how to conduct, the advocates, how they should conduct. But I think he did not meet Vikas Singh ji before, and without meeting him, he wrote the article. The challenges are high. We have to seek the lessons from the past. And the COVID has taught us so many things. COVID taught us that we all have to be fit. We are spending 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs into ventilator, and we are not spending even 50,000 for our fitness. Lordship, this is the high time when a proper gymnasium and a utility center in which the sports facilities should be provided to our members so that they are fit. Occasional sports they all do when they are having tea and all, but the real sports should be there so that they all are fit. If one member is not fit and he is suffering, because nowadays this sickness is spread from one to another, so even that is the threat to honorable judges. So to keep yourself healthy and fit, you have to provide all the facilities to honorable lawyers. Lordship, there has been so many issues. I don't want to spoil this welcome ceremony. But one thing is there, that whenever we met Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, and with the concerns of the bar, he always thought positively and he tried to make a solution. And that solution will be seen very soon. Lordship, I think this is the last function after these 2 farewells are coming, but before, this is almost third last function of this bar. We are going to give a good relationship in the legacy to the next executive committee. Lordship, our demands will never end. And because we believe in you, we believe in Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, that if we demand something, he is the person who can actually do it. And if he says that I can't do it, then we feel sorry. And I say in the words of Saharyar, कि कहिए तो आसमां को जमी पे उतार के लाएं, मुश्किल नहीं है सर अगर आप कुछ ठान लीजिए. Sir, you have to do something for our younger members. A large number of interns are here. They all are here because they are fascinated by you. Most of them say that, sir, if Justice Chandrachud, we can see Honorable Justice Chandrachud, we want to be there. We want to present in the function. So you are a national hero for the students. And sir, you have to do something because of which this bar remembers you forever. We remember Honorable Justice Ramanna, who gave us utility lounge, where we are now utilizing for our lunch and everything. We remember Justice Thakur, who gave us ladies' bar room. We remember all of them who have done something for the bar. But we do not find any nice stone in your name, sir. I think that because of suitable to your personality, there should be minimum 10 to 15 stones, which will be really great for all of us, because we want to see our national hero. When he goes from here, there should be something which entire bar appreciates. I am really thankful to everyone who are here, and I welcome each one of honorable judges. I did not devote much of time because there are 8 honorable judges, but I wish all the best for a successful tenure, and I wish everyone that I have already written a letter to everyone, and I requested that, sir, this bar wants your cooperation. And sir, because of your spirit, because of your blessings, and because of your attitude towards the bar, this bar is going to achieve so many things. And when the bar achieves something, that is a kind of judiciary also, that judiciary will also achieve. We will not tolerate anything which demeans the institution of judiciary. Sir, we are 100% with you, and without any hesitation, if you feel like, any one of you feel like that there is a need from the bar to support, we should be conveyed. I forgot the name of Manoj Misra ji, the President ISKCORA, and I really, Manoj ji, we welcome you. I welcome everyone. Thank you so much.